Hey guys, I'm Robert from Flyvideo, and today I'm gonna talk about my opinion about the price per value ratio of the Mavic 3, the new DJI drone. Come with me. I think the Mavic 3 is a relevant, well-priced drone in terms of price per value ratio for semi-professionals, professionals, and bored millionaires as well. Think about it, the remaining M2Ps are sold between, from $1,600 on Amazon, and as well as the Phantom 4 Pro 2.0s. They're between 1,600 and 2,000 bucks. So it's not a huge jump from that price to the $2,200 price of the Mavic 3, the plain Mavic 3, without the smart controller and with only with one battery. So anyone who is willing to pay between $1,600 and $2,000 for a 1-inch sensor drone probably won't hesitate to pay a relatively small amount plus extra for a more capable drone, a bigger sensor, a newer technology. So $2,200, you'll get a plain Mavic 3 package. So it's not a huge jump. So far, there has been two main options on the market. If you're a semi-pro or pro drone cinematographer, you'll get a 1-inch sensor drone for a relatively cheap price. B, you get an Inspire 2 with an X5 or an X7 camera on it for a fortune. For example, you'll get an Inspire 2 without any camera on it from $3,300 without any cameras on it. If you want an X5 or an X7 on it, you have to pay between $5,000 and $6,000. That's only with one battery, like 27 minutes of flight time. And the Inspire 2 is an older technology with shorter range, weaker obstacle avoidance system, fewer functions in software, much bigger, heavier, with a huge package. If you really want to take the advantages of the Inspire 2, you gotta have the two remote controls, the two displays, a small crew to run it, to fly it, to control it, and it costs money again. You have to pay them, you have to buy all this stuff, so it's really horrible to think about it. So below that level, or right at the level of the Mavic 3's price, you won't get any other drone that captures this quality, has such flight characteristics, flight time, sensor size, all in such a small, compact size. Not even one. You won't find any. And for those who question the price difference between the plain version of the Mavic 3 and the Cine version of the Mavic 3, the Cine Premium version, let's see what is included in that version. You will get one plus ND filter set, which are quite expensive to buy separately. You get one new smart controller with brutal quality and signal transmission. You'll have the ProRes license, which is essential in professional cinematography. It's a compression process developed especially for professional post-production with amazing quality, but lower machine required for editing. You get 1 terabyte of a solid-state drive in the drone. You will have a gigabyte download option, which is very fast. Now, is it worth for everybody or anybody to upgrade or buy this drone, the Mavic 3 drone? Of course not, especially the cine version. Obviously, far less user will choose this drone rather than the Mini 1, Mini 2, or Air 2, Air 2S, and such drones. But at the same time, anyone who makes a living out of drone cinematography, drone photography, and anyone who is good in their profession, or and has a good marketing as well and stuff like that, is willing to buy this drone in the future, I think. So is the Mavic 3 drone expensive in terms of price per value ratio? I think it's not. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you feel like it, and see you next time, guys. Bye.